turned into stone. Dust in the wind, but you stand tall. A rose in the desert, defying it all. No rain, no shade, yet you survive. Your beauty keeps the world alive. Fading echoes in the heat, soft petals beneath my feet. Fragile soul, but strong inside. In your thorns I choose to hide. You're my desert rose, fragile but bold, growing where no heart's been told. Through the fire, through the pain, you bloom wild, you remain. Oh, oh, my desert rose, in the burning sands you glow. Oh, oh, my desert rose, even in the dark you show. Cracks in the ground, but you don't break. A masterpiece that time can't take. Soft to touch, but sharp beneath. A paradox in every leaf. Fading echoes in the heat, soft petals beneath my feet. Fragile soul, but strong inside. In your thorns I choose to hide. You're my desert rose, fragile but bold, growing where no heart's been told. Through the fire, through the pain, you bloom wild, you remain.